Hi Lorraine. So your question was about how to find this area under the normal curve. Now you can use the table, which you can find by clicking here, and I'll tell you how to actually go ahead and read this table. But after that, I want to show you how to also do this in StatCrunch because it does give you a lot of nice ways of finding these areas really, really easily. Okay, so first of all, this table in the standard normal curve what it does is it finds the area to the left of the z-score. Now remember, a z-score is that we've taken, a particular value and we've normalized it, meaning that we've brought it to the normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. And the area under this curve is exactly or approximately 1 as it goes off here. So here's how you get the areas. So if you look here, we want between negative 0.69 and 0.69. Okay, so what we're looking for when we read this table, I'm going to try to make this a little bigger. Okay, for the negative 0.69, you're going to first go to negative 0.6, and then we're going to follow the table all the way across to where we see 0.9. Now I know it's hard because I've zoomed in here, but my last column here is the 0.09. So if I go down here and I see negative 0.6, to get negative 0.69, I'm going all the way over here, and I get 0.2451. So that means that if this z-score is negative 0.69, this little area to the left here is 0.2451. Now we're going to look for the area to the left of 0.69. That was the positive value because we want between these two values. So we're going to go down here to the positive values, and we see 0.6. So this is always going to give us the tenths place. And then we're going to go all the way over to get this hundredths place, and this gets us 0.69. So the area to the left of 0.7549 of 0.69 is 0.7549. Now, think about this. If the area, so this z-score 0.69 is somewhere over here, the area to the left of this is one thing, and the area to the left of this one is another. So if we just subtract the areas of the two z-scores, we get the area in the middle. So we're going to take this, area for 0.69, which was 0.7549, and we're going to take this area for negative 0.69, and which is 0.2451, and subtract, and that should get you the correct value. Okay, so remember, this table always finds areas to the left. So for example, if I was finding to the right, I would say, okay, area under the whole curve is 1, and we would do 1 minus whatever area we found in the table. Now you can also do this all in StatCrunch. So to find this area using StatCrunch, you're going to go to Question Help and then click StatCrunch, and it should bring up your screen here. So where we go to find areas under the normal curve, you're going to click Stat, go to Calculators, and then you're going to go all the way down to Normal. Okay, so when we hit Normal, see how you get a picture that looks like your normal distribution? So we're going to keep that mean at 0 and the standard deviation at 1 because that means it's the normal curve. And you can click between here that this is for if you want something greater than or less than. So less than is areas to the left, greater than is areas to the right. But we want to calculate between. So we're going to click between here. Now when we click between, see how it's now shaded in the middle. And we're going to put our z-scores right here. So we're going to make this negative 0.69, and we're going to make this one positive 0.69. And if I click compute, I now have my area. So what you want to do is you want to always round to 4 decimal places like it does in the table. And a lot of times it'll tell you to do that in your MyStatLab work anyway. But you would make this 0.5098, which is the same answer we would have gotten had we subtracted those other two areas. So again, if you wanted to instead do, let me just minimize this, change this to negative 0.71 and 0, you're just going to change those. Let me just bring this back up. Go back into my calculator. You click between, and you're going to change these two values, and that will get you your area in between. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any more questions.